Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. And then the remote consent services, they have other O2 standards. O2 standards, this OpenID Connect. We do OpenID Connect is always that people are different. Things like O2 and OpenID. OIDC is a different, but they are, the OIDC is or works on the top of the O2. These are the OpenID and OIDC, both are different. OpenID, OIDC, the same thing. OpenID is a full form of OIDC. OCN, sorry. Reconnect is the same. Same, right? OIDC basically is a part of the OAuth functionality. These are the noted difference. OIDC works on the top of the OAuth 2, right? It's just going functionality to the OAuth 1. It's not OpenID or IDC, both are same. ID. Sorry, repeat your question. OpenID. OpenID and OID same, right? It's a full form. ID connect to OIDC. And it's a part of the OAuth 2. It's not a different functionality. It just works on the basis of the OAuth 2. Because sometimes they will come to that the difference between, they ask the difference, but the part of the OAuth 2. Always without OAuth functionality, you will not able to work on the OIDC. There is a lot of misconception. People different who works on it as well think they are the different functionality. No, they are the same functionality. But just OIDC works on top of the OAuth 2. Starting. Somebody asked you this question. That's why you have in mind. Basically this one or Auth to IDC will have work on basically mostly on the user informations like its name, its family name, given name, subname. It contains all those details. To enable those, we need to use this OpenID Connect where Auth22 just works. Basically works on giving the permission or giving the authorization to the right. But with the authorization, if we need the user profile details, to control the user profile details, like what kind of details we need to do, then we need to introduce the OIDC. We'll discuss that and show you the examples. Now let's test one of the application. Create one OIDC once it starts. And that's the issue. And setup. I think I just do. Sorry, I'll just let it start. I already started it. Starting this or AM? AM, I'm starting here. I'm just checking if some was giving error before. Taking common space, I need to free up some space. I need to see. Can you share your screen? We'll test on your. You will create on your. Where can I start now? Go to the top level. Top. And go for that. Where we need to create a client, go to the authentication. Authentication. Application. The above and above. Go to the auth 2. Go to clients. Click on add client. Give client ID auth/client. Let's now start with the capital letter. Not slash underscore, I mean sorry. Underscore. And go scroll down and go to the redaction URI. URI. Give any URI. You remember we have the one URI which is this alive.gsp, right? Can you give that URL? Localhost, that one, right? Localhost slash is alive.jsp. There is one URI that will be easy to test. It will. I'll bring you that one. That's right. Which one is alive? After you are right. So, .jsp. Yes. Copy this one. We will see this one as an application where we want to redirect it. We want to get authorized and then redirect it to this one. Now go to scope. Give write access write. Write. That's it. T. That's it. Your client has been created. We have these details. Redirection URI, we are given the client type is confidential. Scroll down. Scroll down. This is. Scroll down. We'll also discuss all these things. Scroll down. Save changes once first. Scroll up. Scroll up, scroll up. Go to the advanced ones. See, here is grant type. I was talking about one of the grant type here. Grant type authorization code. This is the by default. We give more, but right now it has the default scheme authorization code. And these are the response types where the code token ID token. I will explain more in coming sessions. For right now, to understand and test it. This is the one auth client we have created. For this one, we have to create an auth to provider as well, that to give access for this auth client. Go to the services. Services now. Here already. Service. We need to enable the auth to provider services. This one, click on the first one. Go scroll down. It's clear. No, we don't need to give details yet now. Just we need to have this auth to provider service up. Scroll down. Click on create. Scroll up. You will see this here auth to provider service are enabled. Click on advanced. These are having a response type plugin. Right here, if you see this code, this response type plugin code works for the authorization code. In client, we have authorization code right. When I come to that, I'll explain what is this response type plugin will be required. All this we have provided, we have set up the client service. Now what we need to do, we need to test out that auth to client right. We'll do some changes in this one as well in the coming sessions when I describe more about the different grounds. Right now that OIDC is created, right? I give you one URL. We need to just update your URL with this one. Just copy into the notepad, that can help you. And next I'll explain you the URL as well. And /auth2. That's fine. Authorized response type code, that I've shown you the code, right? The response type and change. First to redirect URL change. Give the redirect URL to the change, this one as well. The above on the third line should be like this one, UL9. The redirect URL we have given into the auth to client, and the same should be here. Can I remove this one? You can remove this one and you can add yours. And change your client. Can I remove easily-wisp /live? One is a duplicate, one unitary. Client equal to client. ID need to give you a client. ID name the one you have created, right? Client underscore ID. You have to. What underscore? Not this one, the on application. It was. Go to the applications. Client, click on clients. Without client. Same right. You need to remove the /client at the end. Yes, C is capital or small, and your name. C is capital. Right, I guess interview or client and scope. Right. This is the worst is a response type is equal to code. Why we are giving this response type code? Go back to your client. This is a authorized URL. The user will be authorized for this client, right? We have that now created a client and we have the user will authorize for the client. This client will authorize our users, or how? Click on this, click on open the client. Click on that, open it. Go to advanced ones. See where response type code, we have given the response type code over there. We should get the code over there. Code equal to something, right? And the code will work with the authorization code only. If we don't, if I remove it, authorization code will get. The problem is at the error. I'll show to that. Come to the coder one, click on code. First scroll down. This redirection UR, I saw this redirection UR, we have given over there, right? We are aware of this. Client will redirect us after getting authorized, right? Yes, we have given right. We can give more scope, write, read, and anything. We have just given for testing our scope, right? It's fine. You can just be one with the read only. Save the changes. Can I remove write or yes? Remove read, keep one. Save changes. Now go back to the URL. This is the authorized URL. When I have asked how you wish URL, you used to authorize it. You will say this slash or to slash authorize URL. Now go to the copy it and go and open the new tab or like private tab. Enter. Your AMA is asking for signed as an AMAM admin, right? I'm going to tell you don't click it yet. I told you, right? It will ask when I set the client authorization, client right. Show the diagram, the client, you are the resource owner. AIM admin is a resource owner, right? It's asking for the authorization access, right? Yes, correct. Send this user AIM admin user and the authentication request. Now he will accept it or deny it. Right now it's up to him. Deny it, allow it. When it's allow it, it will send the authorization grant to the authorization server. Authorization in our testing is AM. And the redirect services, redirect URL is our resource server services. Click on allow. See, it's a server is alive. It's authenticated and go above, copy the, if you see the code, go above. See code equal to. This is the code value we have provided. It's because this code value has this token got it. This token provide all the working functionality. If we don't able to get this value of this coded, this will look at some error. If you want to test the error functionality, go to the client. Now go to the client again. Go to the advanced. Remove the grant type, make it blank. Remove the grant type. Grant this one, remove it. See the other different grant types we have, remove it. Scroll down, save the changes. Now test with that URL again. Do one thing, I guess this one is called cancel it. No, it should not give us code. Yes, this is save it right over there. Do one thing, open any new private tab where it doesn't have access. Because we already admin is already logged in, right? That's why we are getting any new tab where admin is the doesn't have session. And these are incognito window, right? These are current rule, but I guess you're already in the incognito window. You have session for the admin. Oh, can I log out here? Don't to have any other, you can log out, and then I will log out there. Now it's getting. Now and try to add login once. Already a login here, right? A trial, you know, right? It's a private session. Now you will normal session login with any user type. Let's see. User. Click. We are getting the code we shouldn't get. Go to the services. Taking the default one, this authorization code. Go to the application. One or two client. Application over the application. Or two client where we are getting them online. Right click there. Scroll down and scroll up. Go to the advanced. We have not given the grant type, right? We should not. Scroll down. Do we need to change it now? We shouldn't need to restart the service. Scroll down. Go to the services. Service. Go to the Auth2 provider. Go to advanced. Code response type authorization code. I get this response type plugin is there. We are getting. Can you remove this response type plugin code? The first one, complete. Now we just need to remove code only. And I will remove it. If you go to the response type plugin handler code 1, the first one only. Save. Now log out and then try again. It's giving the server is alive, but it's giving us the error description as well. Go. Response type is not supported. This hitting the URL, but if you see the error description, we are not getting the code. If you see the difference in and now you are as earlier, we are getting the code. The error response type is not supported because that code has been removed, right? That if you get add again the code, add that code again. Google Response Type plugin. Enter and click on this one. It will add automatically. Save. Now try it. Earlier you were not asking to allow, right? Now with that, and it started working. This is one way of testing it. Go back to the client. I'll just talk to you. We have 5 minutes. I'll talk to some client things. Go to the client one, where we will perform some more operations on tests. We'll do some more testing tomorrow. This is the basic flow of how the auth functionality works and how we can create an auth client. How can we have tested with the auth client with the same client? Go to the client application and auth2. Click on clients. Click on client ID. This, if you see the OIDC OpenID, this is the client secret you can add. The client secret can be recreated, right? Your password, anything secret label identifier. If you see the client type confidential, click on this client type confidential. And the fourth one, fifth one here, confidential, you will see. It will be public or confidential. Basically, we make it confidential. Most of the time, clients, we use the confidential. Really, we have been asked to make the client type public. Scroll down, we give as many as redirect URI. You give any other redirect URI as well with that. It's not only we can give one redirect URL, you can give 2, 3, 5, 10 as much as you want, but in URL you need to provide that redirect URL where you want to hit. Right. If you have any other, go back to any other URL. If you have any other URL, you can put it here. Can I add it to Google.com? Try. We can try it. And you need to add Google.com directly. Want to work, you need to fetch that real ID. Hey, is Google.com. Just copy it from Google site. That would be fine. Copy from the URL. Copy that. And remove the HTTPS. Can I move or double slash? Do double slash, that's fine. I guess you remove it and add it. It's not looking correct. And then I'm now copied from Google and now I add it. That's fine, add this one. Save. Now change the URL as well. Change the URL with this one. Let's test it. URL, change it from localhost after. Not the read URL. This one. Instead of HTTP is a less. You can do that. HTTP on Google.com. Is it correct? That's correct. Mismatch redirection URL Google slash also. I guess you have remove the slash from that or add it here. Do anything. TPP colon last slash after com. I guess you have can I remove your dot? I guess it will remove full. It will not remove. Remove it. Delete it. I guess it will remove full URL. Copy from the direct URL. That will be fine. You're now testing. You are saying it as a prevent. Where can I find in this one? I don't know this here. This is already saying in. This is admin 1. But there you already signed in there the different user, right? Yes, that's correct. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.